Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Cash and Power Revolution with your host, Coach Blessing. It's been a very long time, and I've missed you so much. I hope you have missed me too. If you have missed me, please drop it in the comment section. Welcome back to the channel, and it's a pleasure having you join me in today's session. I'm making this video based on special requests because a lot of you have been coming to my DM, telling me your challenges with your bank account and the issues you're having with exorbitant bank charges when you receive payments, when you withdraw money, and when you transfer money. If you're conversant with finance app like the Gray, the Renes, and the rest of them, you know that anytime you receive payment into your Gray account, Gray charges you £2 or $2, depending on the currency you're receiving payment from. And when you do conversion, they charge you conversion fee, and also they also charge you withdrawal fee. Now all this is eating into your money, and that's why I'm making this video, so that you can save more money and enjoy flexibility when you do your online business and receive payment from your clients or family abroad. Recently, some of the bank accounts that we have linked to PayPal have been deactivated, and this has made them unable to link the account back, and they cannot withdraw money to the bank. So I'm making this video because I want to show you a new platform that offers you free bank accounts that you can use to withdraw money from your PayPal. The rate is very good, the fees are low, and it offers you bank accounts in pounds, dollars, and even in euros, so you have flexibility. All right, so today I'm going to be introducing you to the Nsave app. Now you need to watch this video to the end because there are a lot of things that I'm going to show you which you may not know, and it's going to save you the stress and the time of trying to figure things out yourself. If this is your first time coming across my channel, you're welcome. And if you've been looking for seamless ways to do your online business and receive payments without any glitches, then this is the right channel. Hit that notification bell and don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Tell me in the comment section what other finance app would you like me to review, because today we are going to be reviewing the Nsave app. Now, Nsave is a digital finance app that offers you digital banking in different currencies, in pounds, euros, and dollars. Now, this app is primarily a dollar app, but it also offers you the flexibility of holding your money in pounds, in euros, and in any currency. And you can easily withdraw to your local bank account in just few minutes. I've been using Nsave for the past 6 months, and it has been an amazing one. Here, as you can see, I currently have over $383 in my account, and even today I've done some transactions here. So it's an amazing app for you to use, and that is why I'm sharing it with you. So in this video, I've also attached a step-by-step guide showing you how to set up your account, how to verify your KYC, and how to request for your bank account, especially how to upload your proof of address and your utility bill. Those areas could frustrate you if you don't watch this video to the end. I've also attached the link for you to download the app, and here also my referral link for you to create your account, and that comes with a bonus. This is Cash Empire Revolution, and without wasting much time, let's get straight into the tutorial.
So you go back to your Play Store and then download the Nsave app. This is what it looks like. All right. Once you have downloaded the Nsave app, so you just open it up and you're going to be on the dashboard or on the home screen. So we are going to be signing up because we don't have an account. So you click on sign up. All right. And then it asks you to sign up with your phone number. I think there are other options to, you can select the country that you're signing up from. So, but we're going to be using Nigerian as our country here. So if your country is Ghana or if your country is supported here, you can use your country to sign up. So I'm just going to go ahead and enter my phone number. So you should do the same for yourself. Okay. So, all right. So you click on continue once you've entered your phone number. All right, so it's time to verify your phone number. Enter the 6-digit code we sent on WhatsApp. So I think the verification is done on WhatsApp. So ensure that you're using your WhatsApp number so that we don't get it complicated. All right, so once you have gotten your code, you just enter your code. So as you can see, our phone number has been verified. All right, so we are here. It is now time for us to onboard properly, and then select your country. So you click here. So we are going to be filling out every single information here. So setting up your account on Nsave is pretty simple and straightforward. So here you just open each and then select your country of residence. So mine is Nigerian. All right. So you click on continue. Then choose your country of residence. So we are still going with Nigeria. Continue. So as you can see, we are done with this. Then we go to create account, verify email, and create your passcode. So you go to this place and then you enter your email. So enter the email that you want to use for this account. So you create your password. So just go ahead and create your own. So ensure that your password meets the requirement of 8 plus character and a number or a symbol. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead to create mine. Alright, so once you have entered your password, you click continue. Now create a 4-digit passcode to log into the app. Alright, so you create your own passcode. I already have just set up mine. So you confirm your own. Now we are done with this part. So you enter your address. Okay. So please ensure you are in your home city. You will need to enable location below for us to verify your address. Alright, so here we go on turn on location. So you go on continue. Okay. So enter your home address. Confirm your address is correct. My address is correct. So as you can see, this part is done. So you move to the next, build your profile. What's your expected monthly income? So we are expecting between $500 to $200 or $2,000 to $4,000. Where does your personal income come from? Investment, savings, pension, salary and wages, benefits, inheritance, friends and family, students, financial aid. So I think it's better we go with salary and wages. What's your current status of employment? You are so if you're a student, you can select and you can actually build your profile to suit your present occupation. So if you're a student, you can just come here and say it's from your savings. So you say you are a student. If you are employed, you say you are self-employed. What industry do you work with? You just search. So there are options for you here. So you can select education or any industry at all. Then you click on continue. So what is your occupation? You said you are an administrative assistant. So you click continue. What's your expected monthly volume? So we say from 1,000 to 3,000 pounds. How do you intend to use this account? You want to use it for daily transaction, to save money, to send money home, to using abroad. So in our case, we are going to be saying because anytime you receive money, you may want to transfer it to your account. You can say for daily transaction. So as you can see, we are done. So it's now time to accept your terms and conditions. So you just open here and you click accept and confirm. We are done. So choose your subscription plan and account. All right. So Nsave has a subscription plan. So but we're going to be using the free plan. So free USDT plus GPP account. We receive money in both currency for free. Free Nsave to Nsave transfer. $1 withdrawal to local currency. Zero fee on investment. So we click select free plan. We click on confirm. All right. So you currently can open a USD bank account. So we want to open this too. So we click on continue. As you can see, that part is done. So it's now time for you to verify your identity. So I already taught you how to do that on your Gray, from the Gray Finance app. And in case you have not, all you need to do is to verify your identity here. So prepare a valid ID and be ready to take a selfie video. Ensure the document is in a well-lit area with an edge clearly visible. Don't worry about all this. You only need your NIN number to verify your identity. So you don't even need to upload any ID. So you click on upload ID here. And then you click on open in browser. Now they're going to take you to a third-party verify app for you to verify your identity. So it's just the same thing we did while we are verifying on Gray. So now let's just hold on and wait. So you click on get started. So you see, complete your verification in 3 quick steps: ID verification, name and date of birth, then liveness check. So you click I am ready. All right. So country where your ID document was issued. So we are going to select Nigeria as our country of ID. So choose a document type. So we are going to be going with our NIN number. And then all you have to do is enter your NIN number here and then click on proceed. There's going to be a screen for you to put your face. Please ensure that the date of birth, your name matches, your NIN matches with information on your date of birth. Use the date of birth that is on your NIN to avoid complications. So you proceed, get your account verified, and we are going to go ahead and request for our GPP bank account. So I'm going to stop here, and after the verification, we're going to proceed to request for our bank account. So once you have verified your identity, it's also going to be indicating done. So you see that everything here has been done. Then you review and confirm. So you click on review and confirm. So please check all the entered details and confirm to process verification. So you've checked everything that you've entered here. All right. So everything is confirmed. So you click on confirm. Almost there. We are reviewing your account information. So that's it. So once they review your account information, USD and GBP account normally takes less than a day. So you see, so we are going to be notified once our account information has been reviewed. Your application is being processed. This can take, so you can enable a lock screen to protect no one. Alright, so it's now time for you to upload your proof of address to continue using your account. So you click on upload here. So we are going to be using electricity bill as our proof of address. So you can decide to use any documents, your bank statement. So there are a lot of information here: national identification number, bank statement, anything that carries your address, the address that you inputted when creating your account. So we are going to be using electricity bill. So you click on upload document and then click on open in browser, or you still let it happen take effect here. So you click on get started. So you click on I am ready. So click to upload or drag and drop. So you click here and then you select photo and videos because that's where I have my document saved. Alright, so you check for the document you want to use. So you upload successfully, so you click on next. Alright, so we're going to still enter the same address that we have used and the same address that is contained in our proof of address. So with this, you click on submit. So verification request submitted. Thank you for being for being patient with us. So you click on continue and you'll be directed back to your Nsave account. Alright, wait a moment. Documents. Alright, so as you can see, our account has been verified. So under review, we are currently reviewing your proof of address. This should take a few minutes. So we just wait to have our account updated or verified. Then we'll proceed to request for our bank account. As you can see, guys, this is our UK bank account. All right, so our bank account has already been issued to us. You can only receive GBP payment from bank account registered in your own name. So this bank account does not support third-party transfer. You can only receive money from your PayPal or from another UK bank account that is in your name. So if you receive money from any other source, it's going to be reversed back. So guys, thank you for being here. So you see, this is your bank type, your address, the bank name, Clear Bank, your account number, your sort code, your SWIFT code, everything, your recipient address, and your name. So same applies for our USD bank account. All right, so here is your dollar bank account. So they have given you everything. So this is it. All right, so if you want your ACH routing account, you need to request for that one separately. All right, so that's it. But we are done because we have received our GBP bank account. So you can proceed to link this bank account to your to your PayPal account just using the bank account number and the sort code. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching and congratulations.